So before this video gets started, if you want a super easy way to make money right now, there's an app called Get Upside. They pay you money to upload a picture of your gas receipt every time you go to the gas station, you fill up gas. All you have to do is go to one of the gas stations in the app, take a picture of your receipt, and you'll get up to 25 cents back per gallon that you fill up. So I'm talking like a couple bucks back every single time you fill up gas. And if you use my link and code, you'll get an additional 15 cents back per gallon. So that means on the first time you fill up, you'll get up to 40 cents back per gallon. I use it, and you can redeem the cash for Amazon gift cards, Starbucks, Dunkin' Donuts, PayPal money, or just sent directly to your bank account, or even a check sent to your door. Yeah, even a check sent to you. But yeah, the app is called Get Upside. Please use the link. You will not regret it. Stop paying full price for gas. And yeah, you can start making money today. So use the link down below. Okay, now let's get on to the video. Hey everyone, how's it going? Welcome back to the Rideshare Hub. My name's Dylan. Thank you so much for coming by. So in this video, I've been getting so many questions about the EIDL. This has been a huge topic on this channel, and I got approved, eligible for a $44,000 loan for the EIDL, and I also got the $1,000 grant from the EIDL, which I don't need to pay back. So obviously, well, maybe not obviously, but just to let you guys know and clear the air, you do need to pay back the loan portion. But you can request an advance of the loan up to $10,000. And the money you receive from there does not need to be paid back. So I requested $1,000 and I don't need to pay it back. Why did I not request up to $10,000? I did, actually. I did try to get the $10,000. But came to find out you can only get $1,000 per employee. So I just want to talk about how I got approved, because and how I was able to apply. There is a lot of misinformation out there, and again, I'm actually not a CPA. I'm not a certified public accountant. I'm not a tax expert. I'm not a lawyer. I'm not an attorney. I'm just a dude on YouTube sharing my experience on how I got approved. And I don't like to do anything theoretical. A lot of things that I do like to talk about, I like to do them myself. I run this channel mostly about Uber and Lyft driving, food delivery driving. I go out and do Uber and Lyft driving. No, am I a full-time driver? No. Do I still go out there and do my rides so I know how to talk about it? Yes, I do. I went out and drove Uber the other day. Did I want to? No, but I did it for the channel. I actually hated it. I don't like wearing a mask, and I had to wear it during the rides and whatever. It sucked. But regardless, I like to be transparent with you guys. So with this one, let me just talk about how did I get approved for the EIDL. Well, let me just go online and I can share with you guys. So I typed in EIDL COVID. It's like COVID-19 relief. It should be SBA.org or something. Yeah, SBA.gov. This is it. Coronavirus SBA Disaster Loan Assistance. It's called the Economic Injury Disaster Loan. That's what it's for. Wow, I look so tan right now. This is it. This is all you got to do. You got to go through this process and apply. For businesses, private nonprofits, homeowners, and renters. You are it's a business. If you're an Uber driver, Lyft driver, independent contractor, choose one. Just choose one of these things, whatever you are. I think I'm a business with not more than 500. I think I just did the first one. But you can do applicant as an individual who operates under a sole proprietorship with or without employees, or as an independent contractor. Most people, I'm guessing, are going to choose the third one. I have an LLC set up. I have a company. I wanted to set up a company for legal reasons, but mostly for tax reasons. You can save a lot of money in taxes if you have an LLC. You get a lot more write-offs, and you don't have to pay self-employment tax, which in California is huge. Yeah. But anyways, what was I going? So you just got to fill this stuff out. I mean, I don't need to go through every single one. I mean, I'll just go through the first couple just so you guys know. I actually, by the way, I actually should have a whole, maybe I should link this. If you go to Rideshare Hub EIDL, I have a whole step-by-step process. Yeah, the first one. This one, guys, I actually go through every single step. It only got 16,000 views, so, you know, I don't know what happened with that, but basically, yeah. Of course, gotta watch this stupid ad. I hate ads. Yeah, I go through, like, as you can see here, I go through every single one. So you can do that. You can watch that video and go through it with me. Just, you know, obviously pick the answers that pertain to you. But what I do want to say is that for the EIDL, the way I have it set up, yeah, I have the LLC and then I applied it so I'm the one employee. So if you have an LLC set up and you have multiple employees, you'll get the $1,000 grant. So what I did want to go through, however, so that was the before process. Now I also did want to just break down the loan that I received and also the, you know, whether or not it is, what can be approved and what can't be approved. So this is my portal for my EIDL. This is what I'm eligible for. So I didn't yet apply to it. I still can get the loan actually. 44,000 bucks, 100 bucks. So yeah, I mean, choose loan amount between $1,000 and $44,000 and 100 bucks. It's a 30-year loan, 3.75% interest rate. Payment frequency monthly. Repayment starts after 12 months. Payment amount $215 a month for 30 years. But I get a $44,000 loan. That's pretty crazy. So if I need 40 grand, which I don't know, if I wanted to go out and buy a Maserati, used Maserati, or a brand new Tesla, I could. Actually, let me double check and see what you can actually use the funds for, because I know that the funds, again, I'm not a certified public accountant. I'm just talking about what I could use the money for. EIDL, loan, restrictions. There are restrictions. Or here we go. I wanted to click on this CNBC article. I should leave this link down below as well. If I don't, just remind me in the comments and I'll leave it. So there's actually some restrictions on what you can actually use the money for. Yeah, borrowers can't sell, lease, license, or transfer collateral without prior approval. So like this one, let's say a printing company wants to sell an old printer and buy a new one. It would need written permission from the SBA to do so if the old printer is among the items collateralizing the disaster loan. Those with company-owned cars that are also used for personal reasons could run afoul. Business owners also need, reorganize, merge. There's a lot. I mean, I'm not going to go through every single one. You guys obviously need to do your own research. I know you're doing research here, but I can't go through, I can't make a 45-minute video. I'm just going to tell you about how I got approved, how I applied. I went through that website. Just type in COVID-19 SBA relief. SBA is Small Business Administration. EIDL is Economic Injury Disaster Loan. You can apply for that. You're going to have to, give all your numbers for the last year. I believe it actually might ask for the last 18 months of your income and cost of goods sold, all that stuff. And then keep in mind, I can just go into my bank. So I can show you guys what I did receive for the EIDL grant. So what I did was I did get an email asking me. So if you have applied, this is a good one. If you've applied, you should eventually get a advance request. This is the email on 6/14 that I got that was able to get me the $1,000 forgivable grant. It's just free money, just $1,000 into my bank account. It's an advance request. So if you have a bunch of emails, go type in advance request. It's called an advance. The advance is forgivable. As a reminder, you do not have to be approved for a loan in order to receive the advance. That's me. I didn't get approved for the loan. I'm eligible for the loan. And I got the grant. So I just had to refill out this stuff and ACH payments. And again, I can just go into my account and show you guys that I did receive the grant of $1,000 because I think that's pretty freaking lit that I actually got $1,000 from these guys, and I don't need to pay it back. I mean, that's pretty awesome, right? So here we go. Maybe I can just search in EIDL. Will that pop up if I do that? SBA. I think it'll pop up if I do SBA. Yeah, here we go. SBA, $1,000. Pretty legit. There it is, guys. It's $1,000. Anyways, that's all I wanted to share with you guys. Let me know if you have any questions down below, and I'll try to direct you or answer anything that I can. Other than that, use the link down below for Get Upside to save 25 cents back, up to 25 cents back per gallon of gas. I use it. Get Upside's awesome. Thank you for watching. Have a great day. I'll talk to you guys soon. Bye.